LASX has a lot of powerful features for your image acquisition, but you may not have access to all of the license modules. So to activate licensing modules, which are available for 30 days for free, you can go to Configuration, then go to the User Configuration tab, which I have open here. If you want to check your licenses, you can just click the Check Licenses. You can see here I have a master dongle here, so most of my licenses are available. You can also then activate trial licenses, and these are all of the different licenses that are available. If it's the first time that you are in this menu, you may have to enable the trial licenses, and that's just a different button, but go ahead and enable those. Then check the ones that you're interested in, and it'll tell you which other licenses might be required, and then you would go ahead and activate. Now be sure to only activate when you're ready to use those licenses, as they do expire in 30 days. If you have any questions, please contact your local advanced workflow specialist.